The 58mm Swiss Army knives are one of the most popular multi-tools, pocket tools, and people like to customize them. So I've been working on this system where you can remove the scales using a screwdriver. So basically these ones pop off because of these rivets, and then we can attach customizable scales. This is a latest version of that system. So we have these adapters that just slide in the rivets because of the shape. And now we have this 3D printed scale. The innovation, the new development is that these are now countersunk. So these are easy to 3D print flat without any supports. My previous version had supports, it was harder to print. These are much better, and it has more room for the screw to grab the adapter. So I'll show you how to install it now with these countersunk screws. It goes really flush here. I'm gonna put the other one. Here's a detail of the screw. So it has the thread part is kind of like 2mm, and then this kind of conical part, which we're gonna connect. Alright, now it's very securely attached. I put the files on Etsy, so there's STL files where you can 3D print the hardware minus the screws. I'm gonna put a link for the screws. And then also there is CAD files, the step format. If you are into CAD, you can use those files to create your own variations of these. I think a useful one would be to have a pocket clip and maybe a ruler. So I think the real power here would be in modifications. Thank you for watching.